Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford Explorer. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855563. Before we get started with the install, we want to give you a couple of pieces of information. First is the mount does require some double-sided tape. You'll see it as the blue here and here. You do want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount onto the vehicle. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, we want to make sure you install the mount onto the car before you attach anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount can be attached in either vent next to the screen, either the passenger side or the driver's side. So before we install, we're going to turn it around and take a look at the item number sticker. If we're going to be installing it on the driver's side vent, that sticker should be right side up. If you're going to be installing it on the passenger side vent, you'll want to turn it so that sticker is upside down. We're going to use the driver's side vent today. And then this bottom lip with a channel cut into it is going to go right on the vent flashing that surrounds the vent right here. Both the bottom and the top is where we're going to attach it. So we're going to do the bottom first. Basically, you just want to set it in there so the tape will get good contact with the inside of the vent. And then you're going to press forward with your thumbs until the upper one snaps into place in the top side of the vent. There we go. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.